TCS PRA 1 June Unix. Orders and customer. Here is the sample input data. Order details are stored in an input file in the following format. We have to write the Unix command to find the order ID of the orders placed by customers whose name starts with A or N or H. Read this note carefully. Here is sample 1. Input and output. Here is sample 2. Input and output. Let's begin with the code. Here is our console. This is the sample input data. A read statement reads only one line from console. The first line input is of no use. We will discard it. To read more lines, we use loop. Here, we are using while loop. This loop will run until all the input data lines are fetched from the console. The input data is semicolon separated. To remove the semicolon we use IFS. Let's echo it and check. Look, the semicolon is removed from data. Let's take an array, A, and store the input string in it. The data has been splitted and will be stored at different indices of array. Let's print the value at index 0 and 3 of the array. The order ID and customer name is printed. These are the only things we want. Our goal is to display the order ID of customers whose name starts with AN and H. We will compare the first letter of the customer name. If it is any of above, then we will print order ID. We have customer name at index 3 of array. We want one character from zeroth index. Let's echo and check. Yeah, we are getting the first letters of their names. Now we need to write if statement to compare it. First let's check for A. If the condition is true, then we have to echo its order ID. Yes, it is working fine. Let's add the condition for N and H. It is echoing the correct required output. 0123 is the output for the customer name, an ant. Starting with A. 0234 is the output for the customer name, heron. Starting with H. 07111 is the output for the customer name, Anjana. Starting with A. 012221 is the output for the customer name, Nirupama. Starting with N. Let's check for different test case. Let's make our own test case and check. That's correct output. Let's make our own test case and check. That's also correct. Let's make a new test case for 012224, oil color, Anupam. That's also correct. Our code has successfully passed all the test cases. If you want this question in different method, then click here. Don't forget to check out dedicated playlist on TCS Unix questions.
Thanks for watching Python Everyday. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch other videos on our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.